channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. For those of you that do not know, I am newly engaged. Let me show the ring. Yes. I'm a whole fiance. I'm getting married, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my bridesmaids proposal boxes. This is something that you don't have to do, but I thought it was just a cute way to formally ask all my bridesmaids. And I'm going to be tagging everything that I got down below, and I'm just going to show you each little individual thing that I put in the box and where I got the boxes from, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. Alright, first things first, I got this cute little like affordable, I don't know if it's real wood, I don't know, it's a little cute little wood box. I got the kind of open box wood vibe from a picture that I saw on Pinterest. I will insert it somewhere over here, but that was the concept that I got from Pinterest. And it has this stuffing, like crinkly shredded paper stuffing inside. I got 6 of these boxes from Michael's. So they were like $6.99, and then I had a 40% off my entire purchase coupon, so I feel like they bought it to like $4.99, not quite sure, but I will definitely link them in the description box. This is a really good size. And then the crinkle paper came in bulk. I don't know if you guys can see that. It doesn't want to show itself, but the crinkle paper came in bulk. I got 4 packs of this size, used all 3, and have this one unopened and left over. And then to go inside the box, well, should I show you guys the final product and then show you the items, or I think I'm gonna show you all the final product. So this was the final product. This is one of the boxes that I already finished. It has a lot of glass in here, so I'm not gonna completely tip it over, but as you can see, we have a cute little pink goblet wine glass, and then a cute little aesthetically pleasing bottle of rosé all day, honey. And we got some ColourPop lip gloss in this corner right here. We got this cute little satin sleep mask that says Bridesmaids. And then I don't know if you guys can see up here, we have a little cute bath salt. So I'll go in detail of all these items before, you know, we start making the box. So first things first, this really cute wine, well, goblet. They called it a goblet on the website. I got this from a website called The Knot. It's a cute little, I believe that's where it was. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I will leave the link in the description box. But The Knot is like a wedding website, and it gives you all these wedding tips and stuff like that. So that's where I got this cute little, it's a good size, pretty sturdy. I want to say they were like $8.99, really good price. And then of course, you gotta put a bottle with the glass, you know, you can't just give an empty glass. But got a cute little bottle of rosé sparkling wine. You can get this at your local liquor store, Walmart, Target, Kroger, Publix, wherever they have wine. They'll probably have like a small miniature bottle, or even they have like canned wine nowadays, depending on what your vibe is. I thought this was really cute, matched the cute little pink glass with the rose gold detailing on it, so cute. Then next I got some ColourPop lippies, well, lip gloss. Don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the Carucci and ColourPop collab called Brown Sugar. If you don't know what ColourPop is, it is a cosmetic line, really affordable. They have skincare, makeup, all that good stuff. So I got some of these. They're really affordable. I think these are like $7, but yeah. And then next I found, oh no, never mind. I found these on Etsy. These are so cute. They're so cute. They're like a little test tube, and it's a bath salt, and it has dried flowers inside. Let me see if I can show you guys if it will show up. But it comes with this cute like bag to put the salt in, because it does have dried flowers. So if you don't want to be in a bath full of flowers, you kind of have to what's the word for it, filter the flowers and put the salt in there and just soak out of the little bag into your bath water. So this is super cute. And then of course I had to get some cute little eye mask. I feel like these are so cute. I don't know if people actually wear them, but I just always see them in like So cute. I want one. But I got everybody one of these. For my maid of honor, it says babe of honor, and then for my bridesmaids, it says brides babes. I don't know if you guys can read it. Hopefully you can. Don't know if you can, but yeah, I got these from a cute website on Etsy as well. I will link them down below. Don't remember their name, sorry, but they have different colors. You can customize it with different fonts and different font colors, and yeah, they're super cute. I think these are $5.99 each. And then last but not least, I formally had to ask each girl with the card if they could be my bridesmaids. So I got these cute little, I don't know if you guys can see it, it won't focus. I got these cute little bridesmaids cards from a website called Zazzle.com. They have invitations, postcards, all that good stuff that you can print and buy in bulk. They have them. They didn't come with envelopes, but they are customized. It says, will you be my bridesmaid on the front, or will you be my maid of honor on the front, and then it has their name, and then it says I can't say I do without you, and then it's signed with my name at the bottom. Super cute, super personalized. Just like little, like I feel like if I got this as a bridesmaid, this would be like a cute little keepsake, and then like keep in a box. I'm just sentimental like that, so that's that. So now I'm just gonna put the box together. Honestly, putting this box together is really just like depending on how you want it to look, how much stuff you don't have to exactly get the things that I got, but like how much stuff you have to put in it. And yeah, glass first. I think I'm gonna put this like that. Super easy. These items weren't like, everything together is expensive, but if you get them like slowly but surely, like throughout your weeks or throughout your month, however you get paid. It's homegirl, I have a job and I had to buy this stuff on my own, but it's cute. It's just super cute to do for your bridesmaids, and just to formally ask them, like there might be friends that know right off the back, oh, I'm gonna be a bridesmaid, but it's just a cute way to formally ask the people that you want to share that special day with. And so just put that box together while I was talking to you guys, and see how super easy it was. You don't have to use this, like I said, you don't have to use the same things as I do. You don't have to use the same box. You can do whatever you want. I just wanted to show you guys what I did for my bridesmaids, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more like wedding planning videos and you know, all this good stuff. This new season that I'm entering in, there's just gonna be a lot going on that I want to share with you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.